Fellow Toastmasters, Assalamu alaikum. This is Distinguished Toastmaster Zaid Kaliya. Today I am exploring self-pay option because one of my club has enabled self-pay option for its members. So first of all, I have to go to the Toastmasters website, which is www.toastmasters.org, and then I have to log in with my ID and password. Once I'm successful, this home page will appear, and you can see they have written welcome and my name said. So if your name is appearing, so which means you have successfully logged into your account in the Toastmasters website. Now when you put the cursor on welcome your name, uh, you have to click my home. Once you click my home, it will move you to the next page. At next page, it will be reminding you that it's time to renew your membership. So click on renew button. It will move you to the next page. And as I'm a member of more than one club, it is asking me which club membership I want to renew. So I will select one club and then I will save and continue. It will move me to the next page where it is asking me whether I have to pay for one period or two periods. So I will select one period, that is $45, and then I will check out from this page. It will take me to the payment section and where it will ask me to input my credit card details. And once I have input all my details, I will click on submit payment button. And this is the easy way. And in this way, you will renew your membership yourself. So this is a good option for members to pay their own fees, and looking forward for other members to using this facility. It's very convenient and easy, and I hope this video will help you out in executing this option.